Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create tasks from a calendar in Notion. So first we want to create a calendar database. You can either click on this database. I'll just click on the three dots and go to calendar. And so basically you want to click on the day you have like a project due. Let's just say January 19th, submit proposal. And when you have that, all you need to do is go to the settings up here on the right and scroll down to more settings. And there is a turn into tasks option. And so you just say yes, turn into tasks. And this, in order to see this, you have to then go up here to the calendar view and add a new view, click left, and I think table is just the easiest way. So when we add it, this automatically has who's doing it, by when, the status, any tags you want to add, and any other data you want to add. So you can just flip back and forth. Again, if you add another item, review work, then it will automatically go into the table view. And if you can do it vice versa, where if you say celebrate and just put a date on it, like the 30th, 31st, let's do that, then it will be here. So it works both ways. Hope this helps. Thank you.